too. Maybe you don't want a spliz. Wait, gang, go get that. What you want to high quality bongs? Let me see that real quick, King. Never. You eat flour? You know they got that too. Plenty and legal. They got edibles too? Edibles? Of course. You see my favorite? These here royal gummies. 10 out of 10. Hold on. Give me 30 minutes, I'm gone. You need a grinder? Well, I mean, it's the grams 2-in-1 grinder scale. Bless. Best believe a plug can't never scam me. They got it. Oh, so go head over there to everything420.com.
Damn, he said they got the grinder with the scales. That sounds like it's mad useful, although that sounds like me being a consumer, because I don't need a grinder or a scale. I got like 2 grinders sitting here, 3 grinders sitting here. Let's do a grinder count. You see those people who ain't counting. Hey, shout out to that Beat After Beat. Y'all know to go check out that big homie, usually on what? Taco Tuesdays he has his lives, and usually he has something on the weekends, especially his hot chip and hot food review. Y'all know he be having them reviews. Go sponsor yourself one, and then you can sit here and watch him eat something crazy, because that's what Beat After Beat does. But anyways, grinder count. We got 1 right there and 2 right there. Yeah, that's the electric. You dig? We got the electric sitting right there, the big dog. So when we bust down that cutie pie, that motherfucking honey bun just go ahead and disappear. But anyways, back to the video. It's a grinder that the electric's sitting on too. So, you know, it's a big grinder. We big grinders around here. You know what I mean? We got about 3-4 grinders, you know what I'm saying? 3-4 scales. Hell, I ain't got to show off the scale collection, because y'all already know we got to keep one consistent. Yeah. Ricky's Radio. Y'all know to go check out Ricky. He'll have you a good dad joke, if nothing else. Hell, he'll have you somewhat entertained to really fuck with you. Hell, go over there and check him out, though. Hell, you'll have to figure it out if it's going to work for you or not. But hell, I'm glad to see him. How you doing? Hopefully you smoking good. Good. For the people on Rumble, y'all know I'm talking to people on YouTube. For the people on YouTube, y'all know I'm recording a video for Rumble.
Special link in the description and pinned comments.
They mad because the first one didn't get no love.
I say stuff every day, and I will only recommend the best. Thank you to Everything420 for sponsoring this video. Word,
and I'm gonna still leave it up in there.
So what do I get? Like, I can have that? You gonna roll up with that? I'm trying to smoke. Some of y'all can't roll at all. But I don't know what's worse, not being able to roll or rolling up straight bad flexes every trip. And that brings me to the next type, the bad flex. See, I don't understand how niggas could dead sit there and smoke their life away for years on end, and somehow still go out there and roll straight floaters, no Trey Young, bad spliff. Like, bro, what are you doing? I ain't gonna lie, there's a million different ways to roll a bad spliff, but I'm gonna give you a couple. 1, too much or too little grabber. For all my grabber lungs out here, you should already know. Too much grabber and you just rolled up a spicy spliff. Lungs punching at every puff. Damn, you rolled this, gang? Of course, my heart. Nah, I'm worried, gang. Why you say that? Cause, bro, your shit be spicy. Last spliff I smoked from your hands, that was hot. Come on, bro, don't play with me like that. Alright. Nah, gang, bro, this shit is hot. You wildin'. Niggas be rolling 50% grabs in the spliff. But even worse than too much is too little grabs. Niggas be rolling a little sprinkle. Throw that shit in sparingly, leaving the spliff with a gentle pull. Word of mommy, I'm not smoking that. I feel like I'm smoking a breath of fresh air. 1 to 2. The spliff is too loose or too tight. See, if the splizzy is loose, mad dirty weed is gonna get in your mouth on every pull. And I don't know about you, but if you ever got a piece of weed stuck in the back of your throat, just know, suffering. Even when that shit is gone, it still feel like it's back there. I done killed like 5 water bottles and that's still stuck. But roll it too tight and the airflow gonna get blocked. Now you struggling to get a good pull. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, gang, what the fuck? Now you gotta deconstruct the whole blunt and re-roll another one. See, usually I don't judge, but if there's one type of smoker that really gets on my nerves, bro, you trying to smoke first?
You, nigga. Yes. What up, Piff? Good to see you. How you doing, Michigander?
Smoking weed for the sustenance. See, they not smoking, they can't even operate.